It is Wednesday morning and it's cold in Raleigh, North Carolina. Yes, and I say it every morning, I'm still here. We are expecting a major winter ice snow event, and it apparently has just started. It's snowing right now. It wasn't snowing a minute ago. It's this real fine snow, just fine snow. Should make for an interesting day. I'm going to go down to Garner, North Carolina, and have lunch with a couple of clients slash friends of mine. Remember Matt from yesterday? The transmission hasn't been feeling quite perfect. It's got me delightfully concerned. It's kind of, I don't know, can't explain it. It's just different. And I don't like different right before I go on a big trip like to California. I don't know if you can see the exhaust on the back window, but it's really cold burr. Oh, my little car. Oh, there's a number. 187,666 miles on her. That's a mile or two, and it's really snowing. I was concerned that it was going to be really icy and then snow on top of the ice, but it doesn't look like that's a thing. It's snowing first and it's getting like blizzard-esque right this second. I am curious to know what the general public is doing right now. Are they all panicked? Are they all freaking out? Or is it just like oh, it's gonna snow, we'll have the normal 5 o'clock rush hour type of thing happening? Kind of an Atlanta situation. I've changed their mind about going to Garner. That just isn't going to happen because the traffic is so crazy dense all of a sudden. I'm like, it's snowing, okay, don't freak out. Well, apparently people are freaking out. Amazing. I've personally never seen the roads do this during daylight hours. I just went out, there was nothing. Walked out, it's like dusting. That's what you just saw, and now 30 minutes later, I really need to get out and turn the four-wheel drive on is what I need to do. Oop. There I go. The traffic's all backed up. Oh, this is interesting. Both facing the wrong way here. Trying to wiggle my way over to Sean's place because, well, it's just nuts. Look outside here, it's nuts.
How's traffic?
Stay here. Hi.
Hi.
How are you?
Good. I'm getting ready. I was getting ready to go sit in it.
I hear more coming.
Go ahead. All right, dude.
Thank you.
We got it. See you later.
Be careful, all right?
Yeah, you too.
Enjoy this awesome Jersey weather.
Yeah, right.
This is always the best part of driving around in the snow. You gotta make sure you have enough gas. That's burr. That's cold on the hand. Only water in my gas. Alright, well those conditions are just about as brutal as they come. Good gracious. Got a full tank of gas. Got a couple of gallons for my little generator. It's only a 900 watt generator. Be the difference between freezing my butt off and not freezing my butt off. Heck, I need to clean these windshield wipers again. kind of an amazing event watching all this snow. I'm sure that in the summertime, when I get out to California, this right here will be kind of a joke. But in the meantime, I'm just going to drive around and enjoy the view. So, enjoy some winter wonderland. This is amazing.
Ya llegaste, mamá. Ya estoy llegando aquí. ¿Me puedes dejar aquí? Yo sigo.
¿Seguro?
Sí, sí, sí.
Está bien.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Que tengan buen día.
Igualmente usted, gracias. Como decimos.
Disfruta todo su tiempo con tu esposa y todo.
Ok, bien, gracias. Igualmente.
I have no idea what that guy's name was, but it was he was obviously lost. He would just moved here in Spanish. I was able to get that he was from the Dominican Republic and had been here for about 4 months. And oh well, I just see some dude walking in the road, stand there, you know. So
I left at 1.
did you really?
Yeah, around Durham area.
Oh my gosh.
And then I was stuck to so many different places. And then when I saw Glenwood, I said, okay, the slope to go up, I'm sure that people got issue.
Right.
So I decided to leave my car at the gas station.
Right, you did the right thing.
It's free, it's safe there. I told them, say, okay, no problem.
Right.
And I was saying, okay, even if it's taking me 2 hours, walking is close to the airport. It's completely packed, so they cannot put anything on the road.
Right.
Because you have people after people after people. So what could I do? Oh, great, thanks a lot. Great.
All right, there you go.
Oh, thanks a lot.
I'm Dennis, by the way.
I'm Henry. Thanks.
Nice to meet you.
Take care.
Take care. It's cool meeting new people. Wow, so a lot of people got stuck out here. A lot of people. Hope the videos turned out all right, because it's kind of getting low light. The sun's starting to go down. Y'all like a ride? I'm heading that way.
That'd be wonderful.
You
Thank
got
you
it.
so much.
You're welcome.
We were pushing cars.
Where are you?
Oh, he's the front. Oh, thank you.
Where y'all heading to?
Glen Road.
Okay.
Oh, sorry. You okay?
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome.
I left my car at English Bar and I gave up.
Was there an accident down there?
There was a car fire.
There you go.
What's your name?
Dennis.
Dennis, okay.
No.
Thank you so much.
Take care.
Shannon,
Carrie, it's a pleasure
it was a pleasure.
walking with you. I'm glad you're finally good. Yeah, I'll see you next time there's a snow. Oh. Hey, I was looking for you. Oh, nice.
How's it going?
This is
Good, how are you?
Dennis. Dennis, this is
Dennis.
Ernie.
Hey, how are you?
I appreciate this.
You're welcome.
Oh, you should see the pictures I got. Well, I'm taking some more right now because this is a once in a
Can you get
lifetime.
through this, all this?
Yeah, I think. Well, he got 2 Glenwood.
Yeah, all these cars are stuck.
Yeah.
They all abandoned and all the 3 beer trucks. I was asking them, I go, hey, are they unlocked?
You got a free
They're
beer,
mints.
right? Wow.
And they just abandoned it and they all walked. towards the workplace.
Oh, that's where people. Oh my gosh. Yeah, I'll have to show you the pictures of the car fire. Watch
Oh,
Carolina
yes.
game, the Duke game.
Oh, is that on tonight?
Yep, Duke
Yeah,
Carolina
they're
playing
still
at 9.
having it.
They're still having it.
I know where I'm going.
There you go.
Awesome. Y'all
Thanks
have a good
again.
I appreciate
one.
this.
You're very welcome.
Thank
It
you.
was a
Glad
pleasure,
y'all-
Dennis.
Pleasure talking with you.
It was a pleasure.